Why Chromecast keeps crashing and how to fix it. 1. Reboot devices. Restart both the Chromecast and the casting device, phone or computer. This often resolves unexpected issues. 2. Use a wall adapter. Avoid powering Chromecast through the TV's USB. Use a proper wall adapter to ensure stable power. 3. Update apps. Make sure casting apps, e.g. YouTube Chrome, and the Google Home app are up to date. 4. Improve Wi-Fi signal, move the Chromecast and router closer together, or use Google's Ethernet adapter. HDMI extenders can also help reduce interference. 5. Restart your router. A quick reboot can fix odd network behavior. 6. Reduce bandwidth load. Too many connected devices or heavy usage can affect Chromecast performance. Pause downloads or streaming on other devices, or consider a bandwidth upgrade. 7. Prevent others from stopping casts. On shared networks, others may interrupt your stream. Disable Let Others Control Your Cast Media in the Google Home app under Recognition and Sharing. 8. Change battery optimization settings. On Android, disable battery optimization for the casting app to keep it running in the background without disruption.